We love to pamper and take great care of our strands, but sometimes forget that healthy hair starts from its roots. Hi, I'm Ragini, and today we'll go through some crucial scalp care tips that will help reduce and even protect your roots from the biggest hair evil, hair loss. Type scalp in the comments below and we'll send you our ultimate hair loss guide. The easiest thing you can do is walk up to your kitchen counter and get your hands on onion, garlic and ginger. Garlic and onion are an amazing source of sulfur which play a crucial role in keeping your roots attached to its strands. Ginger, on the other hand, stimulates circulation on the scalp that results in the flow of blood, promoting hair growth. You can simply apply the raw juices on your scalp for about 20 minutes. However, since they are extremely potent, always go in with a patch test first. You can also choose to dilute it in any carrier oil and leave it for about 30 minutes and wash it off. Remember, as effective as these are, you need to be diligent and apply it twice a week for at least 2 to 3 months to see results. With the wish to make our hair soft and shiny, we often choose products that might not be as beneficial to the scalp. For example, you can look out for ingredients like silicones, dimethicones and trimethicones in products which moisturize the strands, but due to its heavy structure can block the scalp and even lead to irritation. Sticky mousses, hair gels and hairsprays with heavy alcohol content can severely dry out your scalp. So remember, if your scalp is extremely sensitive or you're dealing with heavy hair loss, it might be time to turn to natural, chemical-free and mild products. Tugging or pulling at the hair cuticles is a known cause of hair loss and damage. So it is important we use gentle hair tools and treat our scalp with utmost care. Overbrushing does more harm than good as it leads to friction that damages the cuticle. If you want to get rid of your tangles, comb gently with white tooth combs and moisturizing conditioners. Hairstyles that tug and pull your scalp for too long can damage your cuticles and even lead to alopecia. So remember, whether you're at home or not, leave your hair open and let it breathe. If you want to keep your hair tied in a ponytail or braid for a while, leave the section next to your crown a little loose. Let's face it, very few of us have found the right shampoos for ourselves, and for those who haven't, hair loss after a wash is a common occurrence. While it's impossible to recommend the perfect shampoo for all hair types, here are some guidelines that you can keep in mind. If your scalp is not excessively dry or oily and your hair is not chemically treated, a gentle shampoo for normal hair is all you need. If you have a dry scalp, then look out for products that are enriched with oils, shea butter, or made specifically for your hair type. For an oily scalp, opt for shampoos enriched with natural cleansers like lemon or clay that can absorb the excess oil without over-drying it. Maintaining the perfect pH balance of the scalp can help with hair loss as well as thinning. The ideal pH level of your scalp should be between 4.5 to 5.5. This is actually slightly acidic and helps in fighting bacteria as well as keeping your cuticles closed and healthy. However, most products and chemicals we use on our hair are more alkaline and can sometimes disrupt this balance. A great natural way to go about this is to use aloe vera or diluted apple cider vinegar in a spray and apply it on your hair as well as scalp. This will help balance the pH level, leaving you with healthy hair as well as scalp. We hope you use these tips to keep your scalp healthy all year around. Let us know in the comments below if you found this helpful, and until next time, stay tuned, stay safe and stay glamorous.